now keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
Well, there's a reason Oklahoma is known for its wind, huh? Just keeps on coming the past few days.
And today it's sweeping down the plains, that is for sure. Very cold north wind outside. It's been very gusty this morning. If you've been outside at all, you know this all too well. Check out some of these peak wind gusts. We've seen winds gusting since midnight up towards a 4-acre at 42 miles per hour in the 40s around Winona. Hectorville, gusts in the 30s. Also the case for Nowata, Veneta, Haskell, Pryor. In fact, most of us have seen wind gusts up to about 30 miles per hour. The reason for that, our departing storm system. This is the one that brought the cold front yesterday and also brought us that much needed rainfall. Now, as the system continues to move away this afternoon, the winds should start to relax, so the winds will be going downhill. Then overnight tonight, we'll be watching this area of high pressure that's off to our west, and as this starts to slide overhead, we're actually looking at a calm wind tomorrow morning. In fact, Friday won't feature much in the way of wind. Enjoy Friday, because by Saturday, those winds crank back up, but this time out of the south. Of course, we're dry this morning. 39 degrees, that's where we bottomed out. By the way, 16. That's the record low for this day in history back in 1991. 88's the record high. 67's normal. We're going to be stuck in the 50s this afternoon, so below normal. That's even with all that sunshine outside. It's big coat and sunglass kind of weather. Sunshine Independence to Muskogee, McAllister, over towards Manford. The clouds have cleared the state. 46 degrees right now. Humidity's at 53%. Our dew point's at 30, so we do have that drier air in place. And right now we have west-northwest winds sustained at 18 miles per hour. Pressure's rising. It's 46 in Bartlesville, 45 in Bristow, 46 in Muskogee. Mid-40s in Tahlequah. You can see the last of those clouds crossing the state line into Arkansas. And with the northwest winds blowing in, the real numbers you need to consider as you're bundling up and heading outside is these temperatures, the wind chills. Yeah, 37, that's what it feels like in Grove. Feels like 39 degrees in Tahlequah. Feels like 38 in Bristow. If you ask me, feels cold all across the area. And we're going to continue with that cool, brisk kind of weather for the rest of today. Really fall-like weather outside. And again, as we head into this afternoon, I do think the winds should ease up a touch. So we're talking about north winds at about 10 to, or it should say 15 to 25 miles per hour, down to about 10 to 15 by this afternoon. Overnight, we'll see those winds relax even further. I do expect us to maintain a mainly clear sky overnight, and temperatures should bottom out in many locations around the freezing mark. So if you do still have some plants outside that are still going, you might consider covering them up, bringing them in the garage, or of course those pets, get them inside as well. Friday will be sunny and pretty nice day. Today in Coweta, about 53 degrees with that mostly sunny sky. 53 up towards Bartlesville. 55 degrees in Okmulgee, Bristow. You'll be around 54. Here's your freeze warning for tonight. Kicks in at 1 o'clock in the morning, so early Friday morning until 10 a.m. And that freeze warning covers northern Oklahoma, Creek County over towards Stillwater, Tulsa not included, but again, temperatures in many locations at least flirting with freezing. I wouldn't be surprised if perhaps this gets expanded when you check back in with Dan and Andy tonight. 29 degrees in Bartlesville by morning, about 30 in Coffeyville and Grove, 33 in Muskogee, 34 degrees in McAllister. In Tulsa, will drop to 33. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll make a high of 62, so going back in the right direction. 42 degrees Saturday morning with a high of 67. I'm going to keep Saturday dry, but starting to turn up those rain chances for Sunday, especially Sunday night, turning them up even further on Monday and Tuesday. Some showers and thunderstorms around, at least for early next week. Then we start to see another cool down with highs again in the mid-50s by next Wednesday.
All right. Thank you, Julie.